Welcome to lesson 15. Lesson 15. Full speed ahead. This is a plane. Plane. Seaplane. This is a seaplane because it can land on the sea. Okay, sea. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Bike. A bicycle and a bike are the same. A sport utility vehicle. A sport utility vehicle. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Car. 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 Dump truck. Dump truck. Police car. Police car. Camber van. Camber van. Fire engine. Fire engine. Ambulance. 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 Horse and rider. This is a horse and this is the rider of the horse. This yellow car is called a van. Yellow van. Yellow van. Skateboarder. This is a skateboard. Skateboarder. Kayak. This is a small boat. Kayak. Kayak. Only one person can get in it at a time. Kayak. And this is a rowboat. Rowboat. Speed boat. Fishing boat. Fishing boat. Okay. Should we drive, fly, or float in a boat? If you have a car, you drive. If you have a plane, you fly. If you have a boat, you sail. The boat helps you to float on the water. Choose a vehicle you would like to travel in. Would you like to travel by bus, by train, on foot, or fill the blank space? What would you like to travel in? This is a biplane, rescue helicopter, glider, a train, race car, motorcycle, garbage truck, garbage truck, tractor, tractor, truck, digger, because it digs. Okay, digger. And this is scooter, motor, scooter, scooter. Bus. Would you like to travel by a bus? Cement mixer, cement mixer. Runner, because he is running. Scooter rider, because he is riding a scooter. Okay. Rescue boat, sail boat, and this is a ferry. Ferry.